Greetings, it's Monday, September 23rd. You're watching MAGI. We're getting this video out a little bit late too, but better late than never. It's free AI-generated stock price indicators. MAGI stands for multi-agent generated indicators, and it's not financial advice. It's really cool data. It's our experiment using our proprietary machine learning on the stock market, international stock market tickers, as well as US, and you're going to see the United States stock market in the presentation that follows. Remember, it's not financial advice. We're not financial advisors. Let's take a look at the new format. Okay, here we are. We're in the puts by dominant and contra. Dominant and contra really means that this set of indicators here, you see that's generated on the 20th, that was the close of last week's session, and this is ADBE, Adobe. We've got AIG down here, for example, different tickers. But if you go across, you'll see percent, and now we're listing the percentage move down. Okay, so you've got the contrarian indicators here, and you can see the contrarian indicators list a stair step in a contrarian direction, meaning that if this is a put, the contrarian direction is actually going up, and the dominant target is going down. Here's the put. So here we go. We got the 1%, the 1.5%, 2%, 2.5%, and 3% here. Notice that the contrarian move actually has a higher percentage predicted move. So make sure you understand how to read this. If we scroll down, we can see tons and tons of indicators and data. MPC is interesting in that we have a lot of contrarian moves. We have actual dominant moves here, a 5.5% predicted move. And if we scroll down still, we're going to see some of the older data, and you'll see that some of it's active and some of it has already been indicated as having taken place. We're a little behind on updating this data, so bear with us. Let's take a look at the calls. So now I'm in the calls, also triggered on that Friday at the end of the session. And we're looking at Akamai here, ALGN. And if I take a look at ENPH, you'll see we have 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, all the way up to 4.5%. And of course, we have contrarian moves for each one of these indicators. If there's a 1% dominant call, we have contrarian indicators that are listed here. And you'll notice that those are going down, even though this is called a call or a long set of indicators, because this is the dominant set here going downwards. All right, so hopefully that helps you understand what we've produced. And I know that not getting these on a timely basis is frustrating. Next time we will try to do better, but it's free. It's absolutely free information for you. And so without getting paid for it, it's not our primary focus in life, but we're hoping that you enjoy all of this data. It's super interesting stuff, and we'll see you next week.